So hello guys, I'm back with another video of Noman Talk. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a job update that is currently available in Wipro. So Wipro is currently hiring for a lot of roles, and I think there are many roles to choose from, and at the same time freshers and experienced people both can apply for these particular jobs. So let me take you to my mobile phone so that I can show you how you can apply for these jobs. So what you need to simply do first is open your naukri.com app and simply search Wipro. Right after you search Wipro, search for jobs, and then you can see here that there are around 567 jobs that are currently available in Wipro. So you need to simply click on the filter, and from filter you need to go down and you can simply click on industry and select the relevant profile that you want. So for example, let's say if you are looking for IT services and consulting, you need to simply click on that and apply filters. After that, what you can see is Wipro is currently hiring for a lot of positions for a lot of locations, and you can simply apply for any of the jobs that you currently want to apply for. So there are many options to choose from. Let's say if you don't have any experience, you can again filter out and select a job that does not require any kind of experience. So I think there are a lot of jobs that are currently available in Wipro. If you are someone whose profile is matching with the job for which Wipro is currently hiring, you should certainly apply, because Wipro is a very good company. You get a lot of benefits, and there is also a possibility that you can get a very good package in Wipro. So if this video was helpful for you, you can simply subscribe my channel, because I would be posting another videos about job updates that are currently available and recruiters that are currently hiring. So you can subscribe to my channel, and that is going to help you a lot. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.